John Mattel. My wife and I live here in Wellesley. Bruce Wagon and his team came out and they put up new roof, windows, sidings, and gutter on our house. They did a very professional job, and Bruce met every one of my conditions going into it. I wanted to reduce the out-year maintenance on the house, and he provided the modifications necessary to do that. Bruce was very attentive to every detail, and every one of my concerns was satisfied. We've also noticed that the outside noise has been reduced and the energy requirements are less than they were before. Overall, we're very, very satisfied with the results.